we're trying to figure out the value of the cube root of W. Now, another way we can write the cube root of W, we know that there's a 1 understood right there as an exponent. So you can rewrite this as W to the 1 over 3. So we're trying to figure out what W to the 1/3 is, or we can think about it as the cube root of W is what value. So let's look at number 1. The fifth root of W is 64. Now we can rewrite that as W to the 1 over 5 equals 64. And basically we could stop right now because I know I can solve that for W and then I can plug that value in there. But what I'm going to do is show you the math behind it. I'm actually going to make this look like W to the 1/3. So what can I raise this each side to where instead of me having a 1 over 5, I have a 1 over 3? Well, the numerator needs to be a 5 because you want those 5s to cancel, and I need a 3. When you have a power to power, you multiply. So look, 1/5 times 5 over 3, you see how those cancel, and you're left with 1/3. So what's the value? W to the 1/3 is 64 to the 5/3. So clue 1 works. Let's look at clue 2. The 15th root of W is 4. And basically right now I could stop because I know I can rewrite this as W to the 1/3 and I'd have my answer. But I'm going to show you the math behind it. So this is W to the 1/15 equals 4. And I don't want a 1 over 15, I want a 1 over 3. So I need to raise both sides to the, I want a 1/3 and multiply by 5. Raise both sides to the 5th. Because look, 1 over 15 times 5 over 1. 5 will go to 5 one time, 5 will go to 15 3 times, 1/3. So W to the 1/3 is 4 to the 5th. So your answer's D. Both work independently.